We're back! Ito sa Drag Mo Paandar Ko.
Or DMK.
DMPK.
Yes.
So we're just one. No. DMPK, everybody remember that.
DMPK. For today, we have a guest.
Yes.
Our special guest is none other than our very own, my classmate in college, Zyrus Oya.
Iris Oya. Yes.
Hi, girls!
Wow, napaka-ano naman.
Hello, ang gaganda naman ng mga
That's how you greet people, girls. Hi, girls.
Yes, proper pronoun.
Oh, go. Si lapis mo siya fan.
Okay, lapit na siya para mag-ilaw.
Yeah, there we go.
All right.
Ito ka galing, girl. Bakit parang kartero?
Nangungulekta ako ng mga utang ngayon.
Nangungulekta
Mga pautang.
Oh, shit.
Yes. Ng mga lending.
Pura-
Alam mo naman.
Yeah, tell me the history behind your friendship.
Etong friend ka na to, dati, nagbago na siya dati. Inahabol na, may 2x2 yan.
Oy!
Nangahabol yan ng tao na may 2x2. Pero ngayon, nagbago na siya. Ngayon na siya. Siya na yung hinahabol ng 2x2.
Pero wait, saan kayo nag-meet pa? Classmates kayo sa
We were classmates in Philippine Normal University. We were taking up physics education.
Yeah.
Under the DUST SCI scholarship program.
Yeah.
So, di ba? Pinagmamalaki mo to, di ba? Physics
Yes,
major ka.
of course.
So, I'm a physics major, he's also a physics major. But I guess, the universe has different plans for us because I pursued a different path.
Yep.
He also pursued a different path. So, please explain to our viewers, what is the path that you chose, Chad?
Well, I hadn't finished my tertiary education in TNU. Right?
Yes.
I already had a family that time.
Oh, yeah. He was a binatang ama.
Mukhang binata pa rin naman siya.
At mukha rin siyang ama.
So binata ka pa, tama.
Binatang ama. Nag-work naman.
Ayan.
Bakit ka naman na-interested? I heard from Pura earlier na you had her makeup on you.
Minikapan ko. Oo nga, bakit nga ba?
Well, to be honest kasi, when I was a kid, I was a center of, bullying. Lagi ako bullying. At alam mo, ang sabi niya sa akin, bakla ako, gano'n.
Seryoso ba?
Yes, gano'n yung kanilang bully sa akin.
May mukha ba ang bakla?
Hindi ko na maintindihan eh.
Wow!
Pero alam mo,
So inasar ka lang, pangasar nila sa'yo bakla?
bakit gano'n, di ba? In term namin sa Ilonggo is agi. Kaya masakit na. Talagang gano'n. Ay, saan ako mapuntang lugar, gano'n. And medyo curious ako kasi hindi ko naman nararamdaman na gano'n ako.
Alam ka naman.
So, yeah. Nung nakita kita nagda-drag, and nagagandahan ako sa'yo, gusto ko lang malaman kung sino mas maganda sa atin.
Wow! Siyempre, halata naman.
Hindi, katulad nga na sinabi nila, Miss Mura,
Ano?
na kapag ang isang lalaki daw ay minikapan mo at maganda,
Okay.
pogi daw yung ibig sabihin nun. So gusto ko lang mapatunayan na pogi ako.
Okay.
Kasi pag maganda ako, pogi ako.
Lakas ako piyansa mo sa
Oo,
sarili
naman.
mo, ha? Ikaw, do you agree with that one?
Well, it's a unique reasoning, why to put,
Kasi honestly, there are people who are like good in drag, but they look hideous out of drag.
Well, let's just say drag saved a lot of lives.
True.
So by becoming another person,
Yes.
you sort of save yourself from the misery that you're in, including feeling ugly or being
If you want to look
ridiculed.
pretty, why not?
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. So you asked me what my opinion on that. Perfect.
Perfect.
Right? Yeah.
You agree?
I agree.
Na kapag ito nag-transform at maganda, ibig sabihin gwapo talaga siya.
Yan yung unang conclusion doon. Second conclusion na siyempre magaling yung mga artist.
Wow, na-pressure naman
Oh, siyempre.
Okay.
Mataas talaga expectation ko ngayon, no?
Okay.
Talagang meron hanggang ganito yung expectation ko.
Mataas.
Yes.
Nga. Oo.
And again, drag is a way to liberate yourself, right?
Liberate.
From the current oppressions that is brought onto you by society, by all these restrictive gender binary rules,
Yes.
right? And beauty standards, right? So when you get into drag, you sort of break away from those misconceptions.
Funny you said that kasi when I put him in drag first time, he was so confident. All was like, punta tayo dito. Like, ano na, kain tayo. Like, parang gusto niya i-showcase na ganyan yung mukha niya. Pero syempre, right now, someone's gonna do your makeup probably better than what I can do it with it. So you probably look prettier na.
Siguro dahil proud ako dahil minakapan mo ako is maganda ako kaya dahil dun ko na carry yung confidence ko dun sa
So ang tanong, may naisip ka ba na anong drag ang gusto mong gawin?
Anong gusto mong drag? Anong fantasy mo?
may favorite ko talaga si Taylor Swift, so pwede si Taylor Swift o di kaya si
Sino?
yung kumanta ng Hello, sino ba yan?
Beyonce.
Yeah.
Parang Beyonce, Taylor Swift or Beyonce.
Siyempre, kung pipili ka rin naman, di ba? Pipili ka ba ng...
Bakit? Like, are you a fan of their music?
Yeah, Taylor Swift halos lahat ng kanyang music eh. From Blank Space, diba?
Wow!
From Enchanted.
Talaga? Cute naman.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah. Gusto ko yung mga song niya.
Okay.
that's really, really endearing to know that a straight person,
Like Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
yeah,
Kasi people would think kasi na ang Taylor Swift is just for queer people. But not really.
Yeah.
Women, men, straight men, of course. They
yeah,
can
music has
appreciate
no
music.
gender.
Correct. Music has no gender. Love that. Okay. Bago ka namin i-transform, is there anything that you'd like to share with your audience?
Since nasa ano tayo, pwede bang mag-promote?
Promote ka, go. Promote ka na.
Yeah, thank you very much. Actually, I have a small business, a consulting firm. So to any organizations na gustong mag-avail ng ISO certification, so we have a consulting firm po. We help organizations establish, implement their ISO management system, and meron din po kaming certification, kung if you want ISO certification. So, yeah.
At bibigyan namin kayo ng special discount.
Yes, special discount.
No, actually, siya rin din tumulong sa akin in my website.
Yes.
He helped me with my website. So, thank you so much, Zan.
Mention yung company, Blue Star Blue Star Certification Management Incorporated.
Props natin ang microphone.
So, Blue Star Certification Management Incorporated and LMS certification for your ISO certification.
For your ISO needs. Yes. Ayun. So, thank you. We're gonna send you back. Tapos, i-makeup ka.
Okay.
And then, paglabas mo, interview namin how you feel and then nararampa ka.
Saka ng Beyonce.
Mag-Beyonce ka.
Excited ako. Alam na excited ako.
Buti naman. Ayan.
Ewan ko ba't na-excite ako?
Hindi ko rin alam. Bakit ka
Ayan.
Malay ko ba? Bakit mo na-excite? Bakit ka ba na-excite?
Isa talaga mag-drag.
Talaga?
Every time pero after an hour.
Ate, pag araw-araw talaga. Ayun. So, we'll be right back after Zyrus will complete her transformation.
Yeah, and we'll have a name.
And we'll have a drag name for her. Yeah.
Watch out for
Hi, guys! Ayan, magbabalik naman tayo at i-reveal na natin ang ating biktima.
I'm so excited!
Are you?
Yes! And in fact, mayroon na siya drag name.
Yes, mama-interviewin natin siya. Pero papasukin na natin si Zyrus Oyong, otherwise known as, sige nga sa aming iha. Ganda ng baby! Ganda ng baby! Aww!
Come forward.
Come forward. Aura. Ikot. Ikot siya. Wala kayo nun.
Anong feeling?
I feel like I'm really a woman.
Wow! What's your name, little girl?
My name is Talia Swift.
Talia Swift. Kasi, a while ago, we asked her, ano yung peg niya? She said Taylor Swift. This is the closest we can get. Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Ganda mo, girl.
Thank you.
Yes. Ano siya? Mekaniko sa umaga, monyeka
Sa gabi.
sa gabi.
Sa gabi. In fairness. Curious ako, ano yung feeling, feel mo ba na, sabi mo kanina, I feel like a woman, totoo ba yung sinabi mo?
Yes, that's true.
Anong,
You
describe
know,
mo sa amin?
but still, I don't feel for a man. No, it doesn't mean that I will feel something for man.
Yes.
But
Okay.
Of course,
wearing-
sexuality is different.
yes,
Alright.
but wearing this outfit and the way I look myself,
Yeah.
I really feel like I'm a real woman.
I really like a real woman. What is it that makes a real woman? What is it that makes a woman?
I think the confidence of wearing a dress like a woman, yes, wearing a wig, a beautiful makeup. I think it's all about confidence.
Confident.
Yes.
Confidence is what makes a woman.
Yes.
Love that.
Yeah.
Rightfully so. And
Does it make you feel less of a man? I guess my question is.
Nakakabawas ba ng pagkalalaki mo ang pagdadrag?
No.
Oh, yun naman pala eh. Oh.
drag is for everybody.
Drag is
Yes.
for everybody.
Yes.
Oh. Sige nga, bakit? Sabihin mo sa kanila. Itong mga abangan ba natin to sa labas? Itong mga nagsasabing, bakla ka,
Yeah, but because I think para siyang it's a talent actually, So just like a woman na meron talent para gawin yung mga bagay na kayang gawin ng isang lalaki, and ganoon din yung mga kayang gawin ng isang lalaki na ginagawa ng isang babae, So I think drag is a talent talaga. Hindi siya, it's not something na pwede mo i-associate sa gay or sa lesbian or anything.
Love
It's
that.
really, yes, that's the way I see it, no? It's really a form of art.
Wow.
Yeah.
Coming from a straight
Yes.
man.
Until ma-perform mo siya, you wear this, doon mo lang marirealize
Doon mo
actually
maintindihan, no?
that it's not an art. Wala siyang kinalaman sa iyong personality.
Okay.
Well, nandun yung personality.
Meron
of
naman.
course. So,
Meron naman.
yes, but it's a form of, expressing yourself.
Dito ka nga.
Parang-
Palayo ka na palayo eh.
Yeah. Parang siya,
yeah.
like, nailalabas mo yung sarili mo.
Sa kahit makapala makeup,
Yes.
kahit magarbo ang suot or
Yes.
whatever.
Yeah.
Kahit ito ay hindi totoong hair.
Yes.
Pero sa tingin mo na ilalabas mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Totoong ikaw.
Yes.
Ayun naman pala.
Well, bilib na bilib ako sa'yo. Saludo ako sa'yo. You're so brave.
Meron din akong
Yes.
anong mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga lalaki na straight na parang either ng didire or ayaw magdamit babae kasi feeling nila. Alam mo yung mga lalaking iba yung pananaw tungkol sa drag. So anong mensahe mo sa kanila?
Respect, syempre, kung hindi kayang tanggapin talaga, di respect na lang ang pwede natin ibigay sa ating mga kapwa drag queen, drag artist. And I think it's not easy kasi. No, it's very hard to perform like this specifically kapag iba kasi yung ganun ka na eh. I mean, you're a gay tapos magpa-perform ka pa as a drag. I think it's a new level eh. Unlike yung man, lalaki ka then magpa-perform ka as a drag queen,
Oo.
mas
Mas mahirap din yan.
mahirap din yon.
Mahirap din yan.
Pero I think mas mahirap kapag ganun ka na eh. So I think
Respeto na lang talaga.
respeto na lang talaga. Yes.
So kung tunay ka na lalaki, marunong ka rumispeto.
Yes. Respect na lang natin yung mga drag artists and mga drag queen. Huwag natin masyadong i-take personally yung kanilang interpretation.
Pinaparinggan mo.
Because ang dami kasi, di ba? Actually, naiintindihan ko na talaga. Di mo naman kailangan i-take personally yung mga arts na pine-perform nila. No? Wala yung ibig sabihin. It's it's just for that moment lang, no? Na pinerform nila yung art na yan.
Yun naman pala.
Yun po yun.
Ayun, now, as we go forth, irarampa mo to. So, syempre, bibigyan ka namin pagkakataong rumampa.
Yes.
And then, ayun.
Emote.
Oh, syempre, mag-i-emote ka. Tapos, ipalagan mo magandang balita. Charot.
Buong mundo.
Sa buong mundo na ikaw, si Talyer Swift.
Ladies and gentlemen, Talyer Swift.
Ayan.